Matter, Physical Science for Kids by Andy Dean, illustrated by Hui Lee. It says explore the definition of matter and the different states of matter. If your friend looks sad, you might ask, what's the matter? Matter is something that can be wrong. When something is the matter, a good friend helps you feel better. Maybe they share a cupcake with you. Maybe they stand on their head and make you laugh. Maybe they just sit close by and wait until you feel better. Have you ever heard someone say, that doesn't matter? What if you spilled your cup of water? Your teacher might say, that doesn't matter. What if you used your brother's toothbrush? Your brother might say, that doesn't matter, but probably not. Yuck. Matter is more than something that can be wrong or something that happens. Matter is much more. When scientists talk about matter, they are talking about the stuff that makes up almost everything in the world. Your dog is made of matter. That tree is made of matter. You are made of matter. Matter is anything that takes up space and can be weighed. How do you weigh things? With a scale. How much do you weigh? How much do your shoes weigh? How much does your dog weigh? How much does that tree weigh? What about air? Is air made of matter? What happens when you blow air into a balloon? The balloon stretches bigger and bigger and bigger. The balloon might even pop. Because the balloon gets bigger when you blow air into it, you know that the air takes up space. Air is made of matter. What about juice, water, and milk? Are those things made of matter? When you pour juice into a cup, the cup full of juice is heavier than an empty cup. And you can see that the juice takes up space. And when you drink the juice, your belly feels fuller. Many things are made of matter, but everything looks different. You look different from your dog. Your dog looks different from milk. Your milk looks different from the steam that comes from a pot of boiling water. Matter can have many different shapes, colors, and sizes. Matter can be a solid, liquid, or gas. Do you have ice cubes in your freezer? What happens when you leave an ice cube on your kitchen counter? It melts into a puddle of water. And if you leave that puddle of water on the counter, unless your mom makes you clean it up, it disappears. Plasma is another state of matter. Have you ever watched a lightning storm from your window? Lightning is a plasma. You know what else is made of plasma? The sun and all the stars. There's more plasma in the universe than there are solids, liquids, or gases. So let's try this. Can you name 15 things that are made of matter? 5 solids, 5 liquids, and 5 gases. What are some things that are not made of matter? Look around you. Can you see something that doesn't take up space and can't be weighed? How about sound? How about rainbows? How can you see to read this book? Light. Does light take up space? If there's lots of light in a room, does that mean other stuff has to get shoved over to make enough space? Can you hold light in your hands? Can you put light on a scale and weigh it? How would you keep it all together so you could weigh it? Light is not made of matter. Light does not take up space and it can't be weighed. Here is another thing that is not made of matter. Can you think of more things that aren't made of matter? Most things are made of matter. Your home, your classroom, and your neighborhood are all filled with matter. Take a walk. You'll find matter all around you. The next time someone says, "It doesn't matter," you can tell them, everything is matter. Here are some glossary terms the author thought we might need to understand this text. Gas, one of the states of matter. Air is made of gas. Light, something that makes it so that we can see. Liquid, one of the states of matter. Milk and juice are liquids. Matter, anything that has weight and takes up space. Almost everything is made of matter. Melt, when a solid changes into a liquid. Plasma, one of the states of matter. The sun, stars, and lightning are made of plasma. Scale, a tool used to measure the weight of something. A scientist, someone who studies science and asks questions about the natural world, seeking answers based on facts. Solid, one of the states of matter. This book is a solid. And weigh, to measure how heavy or light something is. Usually, we use a scale to weigh.